Hello, today's lesson is on drawing the face. What I want to do is give you a basic structure today, what artists like to call proportions, and on drawing the face. And if you follow these simple proportional rules, you can make a face that always looks like a human. First of all, I want to start with an oval. Now, I'm pretty good at drawing an oval straight off the bat, but the truth is, I know a lot of my students, when they start, let's say they kind of make it kind of goofy looking like that. What you don't want to do is to erase all of it and start over again, because you're likely to do the same mistake again. Notice that I kept my hand really still and I moved my arm, and I was really good on this side. So one of the tricks I often do is I just turn it over and do that side again, and then after I'm done doing the right marks, I just erase only the wrong marks. And then if I still had a problem, I could fix the part I don't like and work on it from there. Okay. So once you have the basic shape done, what I want you to do is divide it in half. And this is all you have to simply do, is just kind of draw a line that looks halfway. Most of you will do this right the first time, but you can check it. If you put your eraser right at the top of the line that is in the middle, and then I pinch the bottom of my pencil right where the line of the chin comes, I will make a line, and that's should be halfway. So that means if I put it back here, it should hit exactly up there. Now you'll notice I missed by just a little bit, but a little bit, half of the eraser size, that's close enough. It does not have to be absolutely perfect. After all, this is not math or science. Okay. Now once I have those, I want to think about, believe it or not, that is the eye line. And then I'm going to draw another one halfway down, and that's just below the nose line. And one of the things that I think helps students a lot is the movie done by Doodle, and I have a quick Doodle face here for you to watch. Let me see, where's my
What's the basic shape of the human face? Well, under the skin is a skull that forms a framework. It's shaped like a ball because it protects your brain. The nose and the top of the teeth protrude from the front of the skull, while the jaw and the chin are attached underneath. It's very important to draw the skull so that you'll understand how the face is structured. Okay, guys, now that we have a head shape, we can measure where everything goes. That's called proportion. First, draw a light line across the very top of the head like this. Then do the same at the bottom of the chin. Now, draw a very light line exactly in the middle of the two lines like this. Believe it or not, the eyes go directly in the middle of the face. Next, draw a line right between the eye line and the chin line. That's the nose line. Then, draw a line halfway between the nose line and the chin line, and you've got the lip line. Look at the space between the eyes and the nose line. That's where the ears go. Is that cool or what?
But Doodle, I always make my eyes too big. How do I know what size to draw them?
Great question, Stretch. You should be able to draw 5 eyes across the face. This means that you should have at least an eye's distance between the eyes and from the side of the head to the eyes. Like this.
Okay, Doodle does a good job at putting those eyes on there. And he does say 5 eyes across, but the truth is that this eye right here is the outside of the ears. So if we measured in between the eyes, to me that's the biggest thing, is in between the eyes the same on both of your eyes. So when I go to draw my eyes, and I do this before I actually measure them, and a lot of times if you think, well, eyes go right about here, and after a while you get kind of good at knowing where they might go. So I draw an eye there, I draw an eye there, and then I can use my pencil, or I can rip a little piece of paper like this, and I can measure, and I can go, all right, so from there to there, both eyes should be the same size, and in between the eyes should be about the same distance. And so I did pretty good there. It should be a little less on this side and a little less on this side. So once you get this structure right here, we can go ahead and draw the eyes in, the nose, the mouth, and measure it all off of this. But if you get this first eye thing correct, that's probably the most important.